started this business in 1987 with a lone 3-color Flexo press. It has mushroomed from there. I'm very fortunate that having family and friends to work with is key to being, I think, successful.
If you are a company that is strictly Flexo and you are used to having clientele that are more short run, you're not going to want to break into a long run on a Flexo press to break in for 1,000 labels. You want to keep that baby humming. In other words, digital provides a great solution to keep that press moving, keeping your other presses moving. Really, it took us a good 7 years to really investigate what was out on the market, who was in the big player mode and who was there for you and what they had to offer. But really, you have to set yourself apart. Positioning is everything in this industry, as we know it's completely flooded. But what's going to put you above it? Either your quality, your standards. I think if you would invest in a Xeikon, that opportunity would present itself sooner.
What drove me to Xeikon was consistency in print, and it's very important to the customers that I have to have that constant look and feel of what they're expecting. On Flexo, if I have a process job, it'll take 4 and 5 plates to set up, and I have to run that through the press. And so my setup for digital is, boom, is this what we want? Well, let's tweak this, let's do this a different way to achieve the same thing that would take us hours to achieve in the Flexo.
A couple months back when they came on the market with the Xeikon Cheetah, they were very smart with the Xeikon Cheetah because it made it so marketable. The fastest press of its class with 5 colors and everything. The dry toner, it sets. Whereas if you have any form of a liquid trying to adhere to a substrate, it's quite the process. Well, with Xeikon, you don't have to have the coated paper like you do in other shops. But they didn't just sell the product, they sold the whole package. So not only did they provide us with the tools necessary for sales, for educating our people here from start to getting you rolling, to keeping you rolling, and really creating innovations that keep you on the cutting edge of this industry. The glory about it is the Xeikon 3500 as well as the Cheetah. When we brought this on, it was kind of a distracting technology because it produced such beautiful work. You couldn't help but sit there and stare at a label and just want to look at it under a loop. That glow on their face, that's what we're getting from customers. And Xeikon has really offered that opportunity for us to continue to wow our customers through and through.